Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we take a peek behind the corporate curtain. Today we're diving into a report from BioXcel's Therapeutics, and let me tell you, it's a bit of a nail biter. Think of it as a medical drama, but instead of patients, we're worried about a company's health and whether it gets kicked off the stock market. Alright, so BioXcel's Therapeutics just filed what's called an 8-K form with the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. This form is like a quick update companies have to give when big unexpected things happen that could affect their investors. In this case, it's about whether BioXcel stock will continue to be listed on the Nasdaq. Scroll is a report, date of earliest event reported March 20, 2025 scroll. The key date here is March 20, 2025. That's when things got real for BioXcel. So here's the deal. To stay listed on the Nasdaq, a stock exchange, companies need to meet certain requirements. One of those is having a minimum market value of listed securities, or MVLS. Basically, the total value of all the company's stock needs to be above a certain amount. BioXcel's MVLS fell below $35 million. They actually got a warning about this back in September of the previous year. Nasdaq gave them 180 days until March 19, 2025 to get their market value back up. Unfortunately, they didn't make it. On March 20, 2025, they got another letter saying they were going to be delisted, which means their stock would be removed from the Nasdaq. Being delisted is a big problem. It makes it harder for investors to buy and sell the company's stock, and it can hurt the company's reputation. But BioXcel isn't giving up yet. They plan to appeal this decision by asking for a hearing before the Nasdaq hearings panel. Think of it like going to court, but for stocks. This request puts the delisting on hold while the panel decides what to do. So for now, BioXcel stock will keep trading on the Nasdaq, but there's no guarantee they'll win their appeal and stay listed. Okay, now what does all of this mean? Well, it suggests that investors aren't very confident in BioXcel right now. A low market value often reflects concerns about a company's future prospects. It could be related to concerns about its drugs, financial performance, or other issues. This whole situation also creates uncertainty. Investors don't like uncertainty, and that can make the stock price even more volatile, meaning it could jump around a lot. So what's the story here? BioXcel is fighting to stay on the Nasdaq. The outcome of that appeal hearing will be crucial for the company's future and its stock value. From the report's filing, we can see that BioXcel is struggling to keep its stock listed on the Nasdaq. The delisting notice is a serious warning sign, and the company needs to convince the Nasdaq hearings panel that it has a plan to improve its market value and overall business health. Now let's zoom out and think about BioXcel's overall direction. On one hand, they're working in an area, drug development, that has big potential. If they can bring successful drugs to market, they could be very successful. Also, the management team is experienced, and that can be valuable in navigating the challenges of this type of business. But there are challenges too. The biggest one is the cash issue. Drug development is expensive, and BioXcel may need to raise more money, which could dilute the value of existing shares, reducing the amount of ownership that investors have. The company's dependence on regulatory approvals is also a big risk, as it is with any other biotech company. My conclusion, BioXcel is at a crossroads. The upcoming Nasdaq hearing is critical, and the company needs to show a clear path to improving its financial health and market value. It is also important that investors proceed with caution, because even though BioXcel has the potential to develop successful drugs and treatments, the chances of it happening are small, and that makes them a riskier investment. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives. See you next time.